Noted football coaches Ludlow Bernard and Corey Bennett have expressed their frustration with what they argue is the lack of direction from the Jamaica Football Federation. The sport has been at a standstill since March due to the COVID-19 pandemic, with all competitions, including the local Premier League and schoolboy football, being postponed, leaving the majority of coaches without a salary. Bernard, who manages Harborview Senior Team and Kingston College, believes that the Michael Ricketts-led federation is not capable of making the right decisions.
And they are very silent on the issues, and as a result of that, they have left a lot of people in the dark, right? And you really don't know how to turn. Problem is, I'm not so sure these people know a thing or two about football development. Hence, that suggestion that Crow was talking about having youth competitions and stuff, it is not going to come from them. Honestly, I don't think so. They just don't seem to have the capacity or the competence to exercise those kind of tasks.
Hydel High coach Bennett, who won the Walker Cup in 2018, is also disappointed that the JFF has not been forthcoming during this period.
Our associations that govern our sports are in there in a position where, I don't know if it's full popularity or what, but we're not really feeling the support that we need to feel at this time.
No.
I mean, we need to be reassured that this thing can be conquered at some point. And we're not feeling that there's even a startup date or even some,
yes.
even thought to something like that, even a plan. Even if the plan doesn't really work, but there's a
yes.
plan. Yeah, there needs to be somebody to come out and say, listen.
Both coaches were speaking on Hits 92 FM Sports Grill with Simon Crosskill recently.